Okay, you guys, this here is a test piece of fabric for the red jersey hoodie dress I made. I was testing out the machine and the needle and the thread to see how the stitch would look. That is a Nietzsche. That is my mother's old machine. I got it brand spanking new. As you can see at the bottom there, I am missing the base, so it slides around. So when I made this dress, actually I made 3 of them. If you see the other video where I show off the one, I made 3 of them. And I used a Kenmore because this Nietzsche is missing the base, and I am so afraid something is going to be caught up under the machine. So I need to construct a base or have one made. Anyways, what I'm doing here right now is I'm making the top pocket for the dress. Yeah. It's a pleated pocket. That material reminds me of a Donna Karan tartan or plaid print. I remember seeing a Donna Karan print like that. I'm not saying that is Donna Karan print. Anyway, it has some stretch to it. But as you see here, I'm tacking down the pleat, so hardly any of the stretch is there. You will see me slap a piece of red fabric on the back of it, which I eventually ended up taking off because the bulk was just crazy. So yeah, I didn't like the bulk on there, so I took that piece off, that red piece, and I used fusible interfacing, which has turned out pretty good actually, so I'm happy with it. Anyway, this is me making that, I guess, a coin purse or maybe a small lighter. You wouldn't be able to get your phone in there, but like I said, a lighter, or maybe even a pen would be difficult because it is really small, to be perfectly honest. You have to see the dress to see that, and that's the top pocket that I'm making right there. So tell me what you guys think. I have more videos coming of my mistakes and my successes. And I want to show you guys how I made these dresses, because I do want to sell them, and I want you guys to really see what I put into making these pieces. I will see you guys in the next video.